I wonder why.
Practice.
It's practice. It's practice. By the way, whenever I'm on your property, if you ever have a customer that you need to help explaining the motor trim program to, just make sure your manager says it's okay, but I'd be more than happy to talk to them. I still talk to lots of customers because I want to make sure what I teach works, okay? Nothing I have works 100% of the time. If I did, I'd be on TV taking credit card numbers, all right? But I've gotten good at this because I'm a believer. People want to buy better vehicles. They want better value. If I can create value in that warranty, there's huge value to it. But ask me about the 1 year of maintenance.
Yeah, I see that. Do we get a free year of maintenance? How does that work?
Well, Taylor, does money matter to you?
Absolutely.
How about $200? Would that sound good?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to pay for your first year's worth of maintenance, which is normally 2 oil changes and a tire rotation. If you had to pay for those things, it'd cost you $200. Taylor, we're going to pay for those things for you. Now, why are we doing that? Look, we're not a charitable outfit, but here's what we know. You don't know our service department. We do. We'll pay you to use our service department because it is so spectacular. We're about 100% sure that you will keep using it. So we're not doing it for charitable reasons. We're doing it to give you a chance to experience our service department, and we're willing to pay for those services for you so you get to experience it at no cost to you. Cool?
Cool.
Ask me about that Resistall stuff.
How does Resistall work?
Well, I'm going to ask the same question I asked a few seconds ago, Taylor. Does money matter to you?
Yeah.
Yes, well, it should. Resistall is going to make you some money. All right, now it's good for 3 years, and by the way, you can extend that coverage out to, I think, 7 years. Check with one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to do it, but the first 3 years is on us. What we do is we put a ceramic coating on the inside and some sort of special coating on the inside. I'm not exactly sure what it is. And then we give you a warranty. We give you a warranty on the paint. If during the next 3 years your paint is damaged by loss of gloss due to the sun, acid rain, industrial fallout, hard water spots, tree sap, bird droppings, we will buff that out to make it look brand new. And if we have to, we'll even repaint your vehicle. What that means is your vehicle is going to stay better looking longer, which I would think would be important to you. But here's where the money part comes in, Taylor. All right? Because if your vehicle stays better looking longer, you are just liable to get more for it when you trade or sell it, which will put money in your pocket, which is why I strongly suggest if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 3 years that you extend the coverage. Mm-hmm. We're going to cover the inside too. What we put on the inside repels stains, coffee stains, juice stains, things like that. But if something does get stained, we will take that stain out for you, and if we can't take it out for you, we'll replace whatever we can't take it out. That covers your carpets and your seats, okay? You get a rip or a tear, we'll take care of it for you. And Taylor, you know what our number one claim is? The hole in the carpet where ladies wearing high heels wear it right below the accelerator. Okay, that's by the way, that's the truth. That's the truth. So, if money matters to you, you're going to love Resistall. Is that the whole program right there? I just did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.